Tsunami disaster. Due to the occurrence on December the 26th of 2004, tsunami disaster, Patong was one of areas had happened to seriously lost lives and assay to people in Patong Municipality. Patong Municipality has operated the risk preparation of tsunami by arranging the special plan of tsunami. The plan is to set up risk area in front of Patong Beach and all areas where the tidal wave can reach to. It has been divided into 7 risk zones, as well as indicating the evacuation route and safe places in this plan for different tasks, so that staff of Patong Municipality and everyone can be responsible when such event occurs. 3 warning alarm towers have also been installed, which they can send alarm signals to alert people, tourists, and companies to evacuate area. Furthermore, the audio cable and broadcasting tower are installed for public relations and news announcement for tourists. There are some sign installation of risk area, safe area, and evacuation route so that people and tourists can reach to the evacuation area as soon as possible. Establishing the annual budget of tsunami evacuation drill to students and school in Patong Municipality areas, as well as for people, tourists, and companies, can increase familiarity and confidence of self-evacuation. Brochures are provided for tourists to know how to behave and to evacuate to the safe place as soon as possible. Besides, our staff of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Section have also participated in training course. Then, they can educate students, people, tourists, and company. Landslide. The area of Patong covers 16.4 square kilometers, and it is mainly steep hill area in which the density of houses, buildings, government offices, and hotels is increasing every year. Therefore, a lot of people and companies prefer building the house and construction along the hillside. The water can be absorbed into the soil quickly, and the topsoil becomes saturated and heavy until it changes and slides down along the hillside. Deforestation destroys trees until there is no obstruction of huge water flows, flash flood, and landslides. Houses and buildings around the mountain are easily collapsed and become erosion. Sometimes it causes damage to property and life. Patong Municipality has concern about this matter and determined to set up a plan and the risk prevention of flood, storming, and landslide disaster, as well as installation rainwater measuring machine in the risk area. Flood. Patong is located adjacent to the Andaman Sea, therefore monsoon season annually occurs. The influence of monsoon may cause storms and heavy rains to the area of Patong and in steep hills. The water covers plain area and easily causes flood problem, which ruins the drainage channel. Patong Municipality is preparing the rain gauge to measure the rainfall and install the warning meter around 7 communities so that section of disaster prevention and mitigation will be ready to take action immediately. The center can look over the city of Patong, and in any cases of having smokes and unusual situation, the staff can be on duty immediately. The CCTV can be used to monitor and solve the problem of traffic jam. It also detects offenders and record evidence in litigation in the area of Patong Municipality. That is one of the projects that could help solving traffic problems, reducing risk to life, and enhancing the confidence of safety of life and property. Patong City is a major tourist destination of Phuket. Each year, there are a lot of tourists, both Thai and foreigners, coming to visit us. There are rapid economic and social growth, while the environmental problems are getting worse, especially deterioration of coastal water. This results the announcement of the National Environment Board that Phuket has become an area of pollution control and rehabilitation action plan for the environment. We also set up an action plan of natural resources conservation and create a project to solve the problem of urban wastewater. Since 1989, Patong Municipality has constructed the wastewater collection and treatment system. The first phase can contain water of 5,250 cubic meters per day, and currently to 23,250 cubic meters per day. In addition, the municipality has requested a budget from UNFPA to build a wastewater treatment for the fourth phase. When completion, it is estimated to contain 30,000 cubic meters of wastewater per day, and it will cover the area of more than 80% of Patong. The budget invested in the system is more than 600 million baht due to the cost of operation and maintenance. This is a reason why Patong Municipality needs to collect the wastewater treatment service charge from the residential and entrepreneurs in accordance to the polluters pay principle. Patong Municipality has proven that we concern on a maintenance of wastewater collection and treatment continuously. All this is to achieve a good quality of seawater and beautiful beach scenery to facilitate Patong's tourism industry in the long term. This is our intention to move forward to see our Patong becoming the most beautiful tourist destination and fulfill the safety and security standard. Therefore, the sustainable development needs the consistency of natural resources and environment conservation along with the tourism industrial growth. It's necessary that Patong Municipality can make the mission happen. With the willing full support of Patong residents to develop Patong as a sustainable tourist destination